Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, my honorable faculty member Mahbub Alam sir, to be standing in front of you and telling about my selected topic. So I'm Adnan Ahmad Shakib. So I'm a proud student of Hexa'S Gobindaganj branch. So today I'd like to talk about Hexa'S. So there are several reasons why we need to learn English. To begin with, it will help you to communicate worldwide. What is more, you can go abroad for higher education if you know this language. Hence, you can set up our career anywhere in the world. However, Bangladeshi students always find it difficult to learn English. So, for example, they have to learn more grammatical definitions, rules, and many unnecessary things which are not helpful to learn English practically. In conclusion, learning English is undoubtedly important for our international communication. For this reason, we need to learn this language with utmost importance. In this case, Hexa'S Gobindaganj playing a very big role in our locality. They provide easy and effective lessons on learning English. So to be honest, Hexa'S is Hexa'S. There is no English learning platform which can make a comparison with Hexa'S. It's not only a language center, but it's an emotion of love. Hexa'S has been launched its journey on 19 January in 2007 from Tiragor. And at the very beginning, the journey began with 6 friends, and that's why it's called Hexa. Hexa means 6. So it's not only Hexa'S become famous due to their teaching method and quality, and due to their extraordinary service and activities. And I love to and I'm proud I'm proud student of Hexa'S Gobindaganj, and right now I'm speechless to express my feelings. I'm optimistic that Hexa'S will be shine day by day throughout the country, throughout the whole country. So that's all about it.